Today lecture is new chapter, that is P black elements. P black elements. In second year, 4 groups we are discussing in P black elements. First one, 5th A group elements. Or 15th group elements. Next one, 6th A group elements or 16th group elements. 16th group elements. Okay. Next one, 7th A group elements or 17th group elements. Next one, 0 group elements or 18th group elements. 18th group elements. Now I am starting with 0 group elements. Okay. Zero group are 18th group elements. You can see the periodic table. The zero group elements is present at the last to right hand side. Last to right hand side. Okay. In zero group elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon elements are present. Zero group elements. In zero group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are present. Okay, these are elements together put in zero group or 18th group. The symbol of helium is Xe, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon Ra. Next one, the atomic number of helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon 86. Okay. In zero group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon elements are present. The symbol of helium is He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon Re. Atomic number of helium 2, atomic number of neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon 86. Okay. Zero group elements are 18 group elements, also known as inert gas elements. Inert gas elements are noble gas elements. Noble gas elements are rare gases are aerogens. Zero group elements are 18th group elements, also known as inert gas elements, noble gas elements, or rare gas or aero gas. Why here we are saying we are saying zero group elements, inert gas elements, noble gas elements, or rare gas elements and aero gas. Okay. Every name having one reason. One reason. I will tell that reason. First, inert gas elements. Inert gas elements. Why here zero group elements also known as inert gas elements? What is the meaning of inert? Inert means not active. Not active. These group elements does not have chemical activity. Very, very important. These group elements does not have chemical reactivity. That's why these group elements also known as inert gas elements. What is the meaning of chemical reactivity? Chemical reactivity means one element combined to another element during the chemical process to form new compound. That means chemical activity. If any element combine to other element to forming new compound, that element having chemical reactivity. But here zero group elements does not have chemical reactivity. Why? Because what is the reason? Why here inert gas element does not involve any chemical reaction to another atom? Why? Because inert gas element, very, very important, inert gas elements having fulfilled electronic configuration. Fulfilled electronic configuration. That's why due to this fulfilled electron configuration, inert gas element does not involve into any chemical reaction to other element. Okay, this is okay. These element does not interest to involving chemical reaction. Why? Because already these elements having fulfilled electron configuration. This is a stable electron configuration. That's why if these elements involve any chemical reaction, losses its stability. Okay, that's why this element does not involve any chemical reaction. Very, very important. Okay, fulfill electron configuration. Next one. Why here zero group element also known as noble gas elements? Noble gas elements. Noble meaning less reactivity. Last 40 years, some number of inert gas compounds are found. What is meaning this? Inert gas also involve some chemical reaction to form chemical compounds. But this reactivity is very low. That's why this reactivity is very low. That's why noble gases, that's why zero group element also known as noble gas elements. Noble meaning less reactivity. Next one, rare gases. Where you can say zero group elements also known as rare gases? Rare. Rare. Rare meaning availability is very less. These are less availability in nature. Zero group elements in earth or around the earth, availability is very less. Availability is very less. That's why these group elements are called rare gas elements. Rare gases. Okay. Next one, erogens. Erogens. Why are you can say zero group elements also known as erogens? You can observe these group elements except radon. Remaining all elements exist in gaseous form. That's why these group elements also known as erogens. These group elements also known as erogens. Inert gas elements. Why? Because you can say zero group elements is also known as inert gas elements. Inert means less reactivity. Less reactivity or non-reactivity. Zero group element does not have any chemical reactivity and also does not involve any chemical reaction to other elements. That's why these group elements also known as inert gas elements. Why? Because zero group elements having fulfilled electron configuration. That's why this group elements does not involve any chemical reaction. If in case it involves chemical reaction, it loses its stability. Due to this losing stability, zero group elements does not involve any chemical reaction. Already this is a stable configuration. These are very stable in nature. Very stable in nature. That's why this group elements does not involve any chemical reaction. What is noble gases? For last 40 years, so many zero group elements compound are found in. Okay, that means zero group elements also involved in chemical reaction. When zero group elements involved in chemical reaction, then form new compounds. Then form zero compounds. But the reactivity is very less. Less compounds are present. That's why these group elements are called noble. Noble meaning less reactivity. Okay. Next one, rare gases. Okay. What is rare? Rare meaning less availability. In earth or around the earth, noble gases are present in less amount. That's why these group elements are also known as rare gases. Okay. What is the meaning of erogens? You can see the zero group elements except radon. Remaining all elements exist in gas form. That's why these group elements are known as erogens. Okay. Next one, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of zero group elements. Zero group elements. Okay. You can take zero group elements. Helium, atomic number 2. Neon, atomic number 10. Argon, atomic number 18. Krypton, atomic number 36. Xenon, atomic number 54. Radon, atomic number 86. Atomic number 86. Okay. For better understanding, I can take hypothetical structure of atom. Helium. Electron configuration, first cell having only, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, only one orbital, that is 1s. Okay, that's why these two electrons filled in 1s2. Okay, helium electron configuration is 1s2. Clear? Next one, neon. Okay, neon having two cells. Okay, 1s, 2s, 2p. Okay, here 2 electron, here 6 electron. Total 10 electrons filled. Total 10 electrons filled here. That's why electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Argon. Argon having 3 cells. 18 electron present in argon atom. That's why first 2 electron filled in here. second 2 electron filled in here, 6 electron filled in here, remaining 8 electron present, remaining 2 electrons filled here, okay, 6 electrons filled here, 3d is 0 here, okay. The electron configuration of argon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. You can write like this also. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. In place of, you can write neon electron configuration 3s2, 3p6 also. 3s2, 3p6 also. Krypton. Okay. Remaining 2 electrons filled here. Okay. Remaining 10 electrons filled here. Okay. Remaining 6 electrons filled here. Okay. Finally, electron configuration is argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. Next one, xenon 54. 54 meaning, okay, here 5s2, here 5d10, here 5s2, 4d10, okay, and 5p6 also. 5p6 also. Okay. Next one, krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. 5s2, 5p6. Radon 86, xenon 54 completed. Xenon 54 completed. Here 6s2, here 4f14, remaining 5d10, 5p6, 6p6, 6p6. Okay. Finally 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p6. Okay. This is all about electronic configuration of zero group elements. Zero group elements. Okay. You can observe the electronic configuration of zero group elements. The valency electron configuration, outermost electron configuration is 1s2. These are inner cell. These are inner cell. Okay. Here these are inner cell. Okay. Here these are inner cell. These are inner cell. Okay. Outer electron configuration, general electron configuration of zero group elements is general electronic configuration of zero group elements is ns2. ns2 belongs to helium electron configuration, remaining ns2 np6. ns2 np6. Okay. Next one, atomic properties. Okay. You can take elements belongs to zero group element: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Atomic radius. In group from top to bottom, atomic radius increases. Top to bottom, atomic radius increases. Why? Because every moving top to bottom, every atom adding to new cell, having to new cell. That's why atomic radius top to bottom increases. Okay. Adding new cell. Adding of new cell. What about ionization energy? Okay. Very, very important. What is ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy. This is a nucleus, electron. Okay. Here 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, here 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is a argon atom. Okay. The minimum amount of energy required to remove one electron from this atom is known as ionization energy. is known as ionization energy. Okay, very important. This is a stable electron configuration. That's why you can supply high amount of energy for breaking that attraction forces between nucleus and valency electron. That's why ionization energy also having high ionization energy. Zero group elements having high ionization energy, but from top to bottom, ionization energy decreases. From top to bottom, ionization energy decreases. Why? Because atomic size increases, nuclear attraction forces and valency electron decreases. That's why you can supply less amount of energy for breaking that attraction forces. Ionization energy decreases. Actually, noble gas element, zero group elements having high ionization energy. High ionization. Why? Because this is the last atom that respect to periods. That's why in period from left to right, ionization energy increases. That's why having high ionization energy in group from top to bottom, ionization energy decreases. Why? Because atomic radius increases, nuclear attraction forces decreases. Okay. Next one, electron gain enthalpy. Next one, electron gain enthalpy. Already very important point here. Already this is a fulfilled electronic configuration. That's why there is no interest entering into the valency electrons in atom. Okay, that's why there is no electron gain enthalpy value. But if in case enter the outer electron to valency cell, the amount is positive. Okay. Finally, maximum electron gain enthalpy is nil. But in case this having positive electron gain enthalpies. In period from top to bottom, moving from top to bottom, the positive value is decreases. Positive electron gain enthalpy values are decreases. Okay. Next one. Chemical properties of zero group elements. Chemical properties of zero group elements. Already you know that very well. Zero group elements are inertness in chemical reaction. Okay, in chemical reaction, inertness in chemical reaction. Why? Because first of all, it have stable electronic configurations, and also high ionization energy, and also positive electron gain enthalpies. Okay, that's why zero group elements are chemically inactive. But some elements involved in chemical reactions, involved in chemical reactions to form chemical compounds, to form chemical